What is this, Josh?
I think this is a J-pipe or a WRX of this similar year. It's an eBay buy. We'll see what the hell actually shows up. Yep. Looks like it's gonna work. You got a bung, you got a bung, and you got a bung.
I don't even need to weld any bungs on.
Nope. That's the point. You don't have to weld any bungs.
You know, to weld.
Yeah, you gotta weld all kinds of stuff.
Is it? Why is it gold?
Because it's been well used. Because the guy was running so much heat through the system. Man, he even sent me a gasket and bolts. What a guy. Anyway, we're gonna hack this off, and we're gonna put a V-band there, and then we're gonna interface V-band with the stock system. Make for easy removal.
Today on BP Builds, we install a J-pipe exhaust on a 2018 WRX. First, unplug all the sensors in the stock J-pipe. Remove the rear bolts, remove the bolt holding the pipe to the transmission hanger, and remove some of the heat shield to gain access to the bolts holding the pipe to the turbo.
Alright, so this time we got a 6-inch extension on a breaker bar with a swivel with another 6-inch to a 1/2-inch 14 on the opposite side from this turbo bolt, which is a pain in the butt to get to. You can't even see it. It's up way tucked up in there.
You can't see it even without a camera.
So we'll show you this after, but right now we just broke it loose, and we should be able to put a really wrench on there. Again, opposite bolt, and this one actually the stud came out with it.
Yep.
It's good to take out the bolt on the top, the 2 bolts on the motor, and then the 1 bolt on the top on the other side. Whoever has done this before, I commend you.
Especially
that stud / nut was damn near impossible to get out. Like we said before, you needed 2 6-inch extensions with a swivel in the middle and then a breaker bar, and you had to finagle it around, well, as best you can. This top one had to take off the bolt from the top for the bracket. These bottom ones weren't too bad. This is the exhaust system we're going to fab up. It's like a 1/4 inch larger and a little more restrictive, but here we go.
Put the perfectly good J-pipe on the car. Mark where you want the cat to go, and then cut it up. Tack weld the cat in place. Cut the midpipe where the V-band is going to go. Tack weld that in. Install the V-band. Cut the J-pipe where the resonator is going to go, and tack weld it in. Remove entire exhaust except for the mufflers. Finish weld everything. We have a pretty nice TIG welder to use.
One piece. Got a cat, got a resonator. It's gonna be good.
Reinstall the front and rear O2 sensors. We took this opportunity to also install a wideband sensor, since we couldn't find any verification online if the stock one was sufficient for data logging and tuning. Not shown on camera, we also zip tie up the wires for the wideband and push the new wire through a blanking plug on the firewall. We used the existing antifuse for the dash camera to tie in the wideband controller to power. We also reflashed the ECU to account for the lack of EGRs, TGVs, and possible rear O2 error codes.
One more.
Finally, time to test drive. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.